How to fix the CapCut glitch when reversing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're experiencing glitches when using the reverse function in CapCut, the issue might be due to hardware limitations, corrupted video files, or app performance. So if you want to fix it, here are certain solutions. First of all, ensure your device has sufficient free storage. Make sure to close all the unnecessary apps running in the background to free up the memory. Next step is to reduce your video resolution. High resolution videos like that of 4K can strain your device when reversing. So for this, you have to lower the video resolutions before reversing. To do so, use CapCut's export feature to reduce the resolution. And after that, you can import the exported file again and apply the reverse for the reduced resolution. Once that is done, you'll have to update the CapCut app. To do so, head over to Play Store or App Store, search for CapCut and tap on the update button. Then after long press your CapCut application and go to App Info, tap on Storage and Cache and then clear the cache. However, if your video file is corrupted, you'll have to re-encode it using a video converter, such as VLC Media Player or any other player, and then import it back to the CapCut again. Also, you can try to encode or reverse the shorter clips as it might be easier and reduce the processing demands as well. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.